and the dove, one Humpty and ant were searching for some water. After walking around for some time, she came to a spring. To reach the spring, she had to climb up a blade of grass. While making her way up, she slipped and fell into the water. She could have drowned if a dove up a nearby tree had not seen her. Seeing that the ants were in trouble, the dove quickly plucked off a leaf and dropped it into the water near the struggling ants. The ants flew towards the leaf and climbed up the earth. Soon it carried her safely to dry ground. Just at that time, a hunter nearby was throwing up his net towards the dove, hoping to trap it. Just as what he was about to do, the ant quickly bit him on the heel. Feeling pain, the hunter dropped his net. The dove was quickly to fly away to safety. When good time